So I'll be discussing 30 different collocations of get now. So be with me to this end of the video and let's go through these sessions. I think it will be a good session and we can use these things while speaking as well. So let's start it. So will we first uh, learn the use of get with adjective, like get angry. The bull gets angry when it sees red. Get dirty. Their shoes got dirty when they played in the mud. Get hurt. He got hurt when they had a fight. Get married. They got married 6 months after their engagement. Get nervous. She got nervous before she gave the presentation. Get hungry. I got hungry when I smelled the cookies baking. Get dressed. I get dressed before I go to work. Get excited. I get excited when I know I will be on holiday soon. Let's see some example of get with comparatives, like get better. I got better when I took some medicine. So get better. It is a comparative. Get safer. It has gotten safer to buy things online. So get safer. Get more expensive. It has gotten more expensive to buy a car lately. So get more expensive. Get deeper. The water gets deeper when you swim further out. So get deeper. Let's see some example with get with some place which says about arrive, like get there. I want to get there before nightfall. Means I want to arrive there before nightfall. Get to work. My manager get to work at 8 a.m. every day. Means arrives. My manager arrives at work every day at 8 a.m. Get home means arrive here also. I got home after taking the bus. Now see some example where get is used to mean buy and obtain. Like get a job. I got a new job last week. Here get a job signifying or obtain. I obtained a job last week. Get a dress. I got this dress at the mall. Here it tells about buy. So I bought this dress at the mall. Get a flat. We finally got a flat after searching for months. Here it signifies the obtain. Let's see about use of get to mean it as a receive, like get an award. She got an award for her good grades. Means she received an award. Get a present. I got a present for my birthday. Means I received a present for my birthday. Get a phone call. The businessman got a phone call from his client. Means he received a phone call from his client. Let's see some example with get with prepositions or phrasal verbs like get up. I get up at 7 a.m. every day. So it is a phrasal verb. I hope. So get back. He needs to get back to the office after lunch. You need to return to the office. Get back means return. Get through. We'll get through it in time. We'll revisit this in time. Get over. He wanted to get over his difficult past. He wanted to overcome. He wanted to overcome his difficult past. Or our phrasal verbs. Get off. She needs to get off the train at the next station. So get off. Let's see some other collocations of get, like get permissions. The students need to get permission to go to the field trip. So get permission. Get a haircut. She got a new haircut. So get a haircut. Get help. His friend recommended that he needed to get help. Get used to. You will be used to speaking English over time. Used to means you will be habituated with it. Get started. We'll get started with the project next week. Will means we'll start the project next week. So if you like this video, please let me know your feedback in the comment sections. If you like, hit the like button, and if you are new to my channel, please do subscribe. Also please hit the bell icon so that you will not miss any notification of new post from my channel. And please do share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching.